man.
Just get in our man.
Grand rising.
Right,
Grand rising.
Like, share,
yes, man.
Subscribe.
Blessings and greatness and yeah, love to all. Especially bad mind people. Love to all. You see me? I'm telling you, say, the more on eat, the more on a bad mind, and the more on come talk on a shit or on a let out on the mouth. We are going to shame on the gaza, go shame on the bro. World boss, my dad. He going to shame on the. May I tell you? Yo, you see, if vybz Kartel tell me, say, give me 3 years. You see, that's something that when you usually lick on and tell you, say, when I say, yo, like, what a fucking cartoon that they name Alice in Wonderland or Wizard of Oz with the gold road. And them say when you got the milk and the honey. If vybz Kartel tell me, say, yo, I'm 3 years and you see me turn the whole place in the whole road in a goal. A goal ever, I gotta believe him. I believe him. I gotta believe him to the fullest because I know him I do it for real. And don't watch the process while going into it, while him accomplish it. Don't watch the process or how it might look sometime like, you know, like what typical average-minded people, things them get up every day and talk and tell left them a Jamaica for suffer. Oh no, go suck on a mother. From I come from prison, I not even go around my family them where me the left. You know, from my mother drop out, my family where I have, when I come a road come get vybz Kartel, a 2 house cartel make sure some I have. We make 2. You see me? And I'm good. And it's not just a house. Him give me a home. Him give me a home. Him give me back a family. Literally. You know, cause I come a road and my mother drop out and all this and all that, and I tell her, say, yo, it fucked me up mentally, I'm not telling a lie. You see me? Even when we about to come out and them come give away, them come give away the psyche evaluation. And remember the day when the doctor man see me, the man and say, yo, you know how long I want to get to talk to you out of everybody. I just say, name alone, I want to talk to you. And we done talk and him then give you the evaluation. The man look for me and the man say, yo, you know, say, you're emotionally detached. You're emotionally detached. You know, you're sick, you need to go. You're mentally. You see me? You say, I'm a good man, bossy man. You see me? There we did lock up. I'm going to see where my father gets sick, yo, to the point where him can't even consume food. You see me, dog? And the thing, I first time that I cry in a prison. Okay, I'm going to medical today. And I tell you, say it crushed my heart because I could have seen where Warders dead away. Be glad to see him in that state there. Because one time the man don't want nothing. Because it's like the man know say, yo, you don't want to kill me now, I'm not giving you a chance, you know. You don't want to kill me, I'm not giving you a chance. Remember, I don't look what we usually talk about. Oh, you're a cartel butler. Remember, I usually say to him, I usually say, so, yo, I tell you, the man, yet, brother, all the man say, what me I do, I feel help get back my father and him strength, get back him strength and build up him back. You see me? And I think for him health, the man a fight. The man a fight for make that not happen. And then when him there work, him mostly work when I time over there, so which part of them have the cartel. The man want to laugh up with the DJ. And I usually get so irritated and him usually my father usually page me and tell me say, them are where the hell you am. But I know that them are nobody, but that usually hurt me to see how them are going in the sense of Maddy down the work, on come work, so just do the work. Cause you do better than we, bro. You do better than we just because we lock up. I'm usually tell them, say, dog, the only thing you have over we is freedom. The fact so now lock the gateway and the padlock and have we in our cell. That alone you have over we, dog. You don't have nothing more over we, dog. Freedom you have over we. And I know no body breathing. Stop going like, you see me, I say I cry. I want to see me I cry the day. And the man said, what you do? I cry really? I cry for cartel. He man don't know what him said to me, you know. He man don't know what him said to me when him said that, but if I cry, I cry for cartel. I tell you, there's so much more. I tell you now. I tell you now.
When you have a problem with that? Oh, me not deal with the crew. Me not deal with nothing with the crew. So me I say, how? Oh, me not deal with it. Me ask him, so which major show me miss? If I miss 2 shows, I just like some little show, like, you know, like where them say a free show.
Yeah.
You get what I say? I miss that. But I not miss no major show. I not miss no major interview. I not miss none of them something there. You get what I say?
Yeah.
What did happen before that? Bounce video. Yeah, it was Bounce video. Bounce video, but I couldn't get forgot Bounce video because my daughter, on the same day, I have to renew our passport so that she could have got, because she born in America, so she put in there Jamaica for so long. You see me? So the same day, I have to deal with the embassy something, and then got the embassy, go back, got the airport, go back to the embassy, then go back to the airport. I have to get an emergency passport for her, because at the same day, she have to leave, you see me?
Yeah.
All of that take up the whole entire day, then I end up got the airport for change the flight to a later flight, that would have been in the night, so that I can get more time to deal with the passport of a embassy, you see me? So I never get to go, but I'm in contact with them and I tell them, say, yo, I'm for the human that or whatever. But him still have me up finna come. Here I say, me should I bring 10 rows catch speed, guys. Me should I bring after doing all of that for my daughter, me should I bring her come at the shoot all the way to Portland. Like what?
Yeah, Joe think that.
So me I say, oh, you have to pre me for deal with my daughter. And that him literally pre. And then because of that, them replace me, which part me for the night, them replace me with somebody else.
Okay. Or if replace him.
You know, I get a man said them put somebody else in the video. Triple. Them put somebody else in my place. Which part me did for the end of the video, them put somebody else in my place. Yeah. A man, a person, and a friend. So that make it worse.
A spy thing, man. A spy thing.
Yeah, so from this, so really. You see me? So it's like them I say, we should have put off my daughter thing for your next day because the video more important than my daughter thing.
Or video for blood clot more important.
Now that me I say, him a pre from them time. So I say, if you pre from them time, bro, like, I think so that, because when him bring up about that, like, in the conversation we have, when he bring up about that, I say, wait, but I think say we done get over that Bones video something already.
Yeah.
Like, me, I never expect him to bring some key, like, you have up things, and me no know. You see me? So me I say, alright. He must say, they must say, oh. Like, before I hang up the phone, him say, oh, we go, we must say get ready or whatever. Me call him back later. I say, here we do, just don't call back, you see me?
Yeah.
I say, you're not for call back, bro, because the way you said to me never made a sense as a leader then, to say, like, it's like you want people for they underneath your body, I call back and you're right through. You never do nothing great for me. You from out of the ghetto, you buy house, you buy this, you buy that. You think 25 grand and 30 grand and them money they can't help you for buy them, can't help you for buy them things, brother. We have to do different things, but because true as we say,